My name is Alyssa Sewell. I'm in the ITA welding program here at Georgia Northwestern Technical College with the Youth Success Academy. The staff here are amazing. I can go to them for whatever, whether it's financial aid, just emotional support in general, and they're always there to reassure that I can get through it, and I encourage anyone and everyone to come give it a try. I actually started welding in high school. What attracted me to that was the creativity, the hands-on, the fact that I'm not sitting behind a desk. A lot of people think that since it's a male-dominated field, women cannot do it, and I'm here to prove them wrong. I'm a single mom and I had no way to afford college, but here with the Youth Success Academy, they helped me with transportation, books, equipment, and just overall the support to get through college. What I plan on doing after I complete the welding program is get a career in welding that allows me to travel. The staff here are amazing. I could call them about anything, no matter what it is. They're always there to reassure that I can make it. If someone were to tell me that they didn't think college was possible for them, I would say to call the YSA program and get the help and support that I did to get through college.